Hey guys, what's going on? It's TCARP. Alright, I think I'm ready to finally do this. I've had this bag for a long time. Longer than I probably should have without doing the review. But I wanted to give you guys a good, honest review. And I'm about to review the AMHEH basically Tactical Fanny Pack. The AMHEH is a brand that's like an Amazon brand or whatnot. And, you know, started out, they sent this to me about 6-8 months ago. And guys, this thing pretty much rocks. It does a really great job. Really good job for the money. And let's break it down and get into it. All right, first things first. How much does this thing cost? We're gonna wait till the end of the video for that. But let's talk about some features of this. This is your tactical fanny pack, okay? You can wear this as a crossbody, which is what I've done when I took this to the Darien Gap, to the jungles of Panama, on the plane, whatnot. That's how I used it. You can use it as a fanny pack. Works just fine there. It's really a good thing. Let's turn this down, let you take a look at it. It's got some really cool features, and this is a good pack. This is not one of those packs that you get off of like Walmart or from Amazon that's just not made of good quality stuff. So these have YKK zippers, so really good zippers that have lasted. I mean, like I said, beating this thing up, taking it through the jungle, carried it, done really well. It's got great big buckles that have worked well. I have made my own little modifications to this, and that's going to be my a few kind of thumbs downs on a few things. But let's get into this. First thing you have your front pocket here, which I've got some things from Panama tied to. You can put a knife, whatnot in here. You've got your patches or your patch plate. You know, I've got this that I got from Air Naval, which is the Panamanian military. Gonna pop that back up here. And then I've got this really cool AMHEH patch. Do like that. I really do like that. The second thing you've got is your secondary pouch. I've got a knife sharpener in here right now. Got some headphones, some gum, and just some other few things. And it has a way of separating that. So usually I'll carry my wallet in there if I'm doing a wallet day. And I'll just carry kind of your semi-important things right in this pouch. And it easily keeps that, contained right there. The third pouch is where you can carry big stuff, like a pew pew. This is a Glock 30 Gen 4, 45 caliber, double stack, 10 round magazine. This thing carries this just fine. No one knows, no one thinks anything of it. So you can really carry very well with this AMHEH system, with this AMHEH fanny pack. You can carry a large size pistol. So again, double stack 45. Yes, it's a compact 45, but 45. We're not talking micro 9, we're talking double stack 45 with this AMHEH system. You can also carry multiple things in here. Now, what it doesn't have like a Velcro pouch or anything like that in here for that. This is strictly just a pouch. So it does have ways of like singling or like basically separating things. So you can do that if you like, but really nice construction in here. So the top, you've got your this pouch, which you can do like a knife, you can do things of that nature, which I've seen people do. When I was in Panama, I did do that. I had a more like companion that clipped in, and I just kind of shoved it right through here, and that works just fine. You can do this with a water bottle, with, you know, you can do this with your Ray-Bans, whatnot. You can use this top pouch for it. You can really do whatever, and it's very, just kind of whatever you want to do with it. Now this right here has some really cool Molle. So you can attach this to your bag. If you have a Molle system bag, you can just Molle it up. That's fine. But this has a really nice zipper that keeps it, the very important stuff right here. For me, that is, you know, my passport. When I was in that stuff, it was passport, like cards, things of that nature, money, and that all was in that part right there. And I carried it, basically, just threw it over my strap, threw them over myself. You can carry it up close, whatnot, all with these straps. Now, the thing is I would really like for a company to come out with a system that isn't full of this crap. Like really, why do you have to have a buckle here, a buckle here? It gets too confusing. Like, just come out with a strap system that is honestly, that genuinely is this, and then a pull cord. And just really make it like that. That's the way I did it. I put some tape on this so it didn't pull through, and basically I put it as, hey, this is the one I pull for this, and then I have these little, I do like these little rubber band kind of like things they keep to kind of help manage the straps so they're not just flopping around. But man, have a system to where you don't have this, you know, you don't have this on the side and whatnot. Now again, they send these little rubber band cords to kind of help manage it, but in my personal opinion, that is the biggest thing about these tactical gear, is they make it one size fits all, and they make it for everybody. And then you have, you know, if you cinch it up, you have just this stuff flopping around, and it just gets annoying. But so far, man, this AMHEH bag has been really, really, really rock solid. Cannot complain. The only thing I complain about is this. Now, let's get to the price of this. Stay tuned. These bad boys right now on Amazon, 40 bucks. 40 bucks for all this. And guys, I believe this is very, very high value. I'll post the link down below. They did send this to me, and I do get some cheese off this. Again, please, if you like this, again, buy it from me. Get some cheese. Sure appreciate it. But guys, these AMHEH bags, I've beaten the crap out of it. I really have. I've taken it to Panama. You've seen those pictures. I've done everything there, and again, this thing is pretty flipping rock solid. Really appreciate AMHEH for being patient with me, posting that, and I'm going to start posting more reviews of this. You'll get more of this, but man, just a really great bag. So, especially for 40 bucks at the time of this video. Y'all be good. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share. This is TCARP signing out.